Our ground blind is toast.
It is a little bit.
Let's make sure this stuff's not broken. This is a $300 shooting vise.
Stuck to the, yeah.
Looks like this is still good.
She looks all right. A little bit. It's got character now.
That's right.
Character.
Hey guys, welcome to 3 Mississippi. I'm Mike.
I'm Frankie.
And today we are checking the zero on Frankie's rifle because we had a little oopsie. And we also have to go check on the property after this big storm we had. Check some deer cards, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. Let's get after it.
So, right before the end of winter break, Dad and I went hunting. I think it was the last day of winter break. And bunch of deer, and I missed one. I do not think I got her.
I don't either.
Well, a few weeks before, there was a coyote. We were deer hunting, and it ended up turning into coyote hunting. I had gut shot that coyote, but that was not where I was aiming. But I'm thinking, well, you know, I must have just been kind of just adrenaline. I mean, you get the same kind of adrenaline when you're shooting a coyote that you do when you're shooting a deer. At least I did. And I was like, you know, maybe I just wasn't steady. Guess we're gonna figure out, is it us or is it the rifle? Put your ear pro in.
I got my ear pro in. Just fire at will.
Sorry, you're like yelling really loud.
Am I?
I was going to tell you to put your ear pro in because I didn't know you already had it in.
No, I already got it in, so you can just do what you want.
And you just started yelling. Sorry, all right. I feel like this is... No, it's fine. All right. Safety's off. Where am I at? That was really close to my face.
Here. Getting our steps in.
Do you think I hit it?
Do I think you hit the board? Yeah.
Well,
I don't think you are in the black.
I was confident in all those shots.
I don't think you're in the black.
No, I didn't see it. After I took my first shot, that's why I paused and looked. And I didn't see any.
But you held the same target all 3 shots, right?
Yeah. No, I moved around. I went from here to here to here.
Okay, that sounds about right for you. Well, that's why you missed a deer.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Whoa, no, those are that one's crossed out.
Yeah. That's you. You double hit that.
Yeah,
and you
1,
hit that.
2, 3. So I'm off that way.
Yeah, which would explain. Remember that coyote was facing that way?
I was.
And you
thinking,
shot it. You shot the coyote.
I was off to the left.
Yep, you were off to the left.
And I was thinking about that when we were in the car. I was like, I'm at. This is the shoulder blade I was shooting at.
You shot out in front of her.
I couldn't have missed over here because that would have been a gut shot, and we didn't see any blood.
You shot right out in front of her.
So I went left.
Yep.
And on that coyote, I went left.
So we need to come, you know, if that's a flyer, we'll call it right there. We need to come right 6 inches.
Cool.
Bummer.
Well, that makes me, bummer, but that makes me feel a lot better. That it wasn't me not knowing how to shoot. It makes a lot of sense that my rifle's off about 6 inches to the left because this coyote's head was over here on the right and I gut shot it to the left. So missed that. And that deer was standing to the right. I shot at the shoulder blade, went in front of her to the left. So that's a bummer, but we're gonna fix it. 4 clicks is 1 inch at 100 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, there you go. Bah! All right, now we do all that again.
Well, we can put 2 rounds down there this time. Actually, put 1 round and let's see where it's at.
Okay.
You can just hand feed it.
Yeah. All right. Safety's off.
All right, see if you can see the shot.
Nah.
No?
Safety's off. Tell me if you can see it.
Yeah, it's high.
That might have been me.
I'm gonna have to put 1 through it.
Go ahead. There it is.
Well, we're officially calling this rifle out of commission. I think the scope's broken. Frankie was shooting like 2-inch groups at 100 yards with this rifle a month ago.
Yeah.
And now it's all over the place. And I put around through there and
it's one of these two.
Yeah, it's a mess. So we're gonna put this on a lead sled tomorrow and remove the shooter error from the equation and see what's going on. We might be going scope hunting.
But you know what that means?
What?
That means we get to go to a gun store, maybe.
That's true.
We like gun stores.
We like gun stores. Oh. There's a back window there now. Full tank of gas. Let's go. Dude.
Oh no.
Houston, we got a problem.
Well.
See how bad it is.
Alright. So, we come out here on Silver.
We had a really bad storm yesterday.
Yeah, we were on tornado watch till 11 something or 12. And it was real windy all day. And we come out here and
Our ground blind is toast.
it is a little bit.
Let's make sure this stuff's not broken. This is a $300 shooting vise.
Stuck to the, yeah.
Looks like this is still good.
She looks all right. A little bit. It's got character now.
That's right.
Character.
Yeah. That's important right there.
Yeah. We probably should have come out and took all these down.
Well, honestly, I didn't think about it.
Me neither.
Now we're gonna need to go check the other
The
one.
other one, yeah.
And what about the feeders?
That feeder's all right, but the other one's taller.
Yeah.
So that one might not be all right.
And boo, it's on that exposed south hill
No.
where all the wind was coming up from.
Just went tumbling. Oh.
So, what do you think? Should we set this back up?
Well, I mean, we can. Maybe.
See what kind of shape it's in. Oh, it's moved a lot. It was way over here.
Yeah, this is what all this brush was. I put it in front of it. Kind of poorly, but. No, hold on. Oops.
Yeah, that comes out.
Well, now we know.
All the parts are still here.
Yeah. It just
So-
it took a trip.
Yeah, it took a little tumble.
But it's a good thing we got this tree line here, or else it would have been in the creek.
Yeah.
So. And I think the creek's probably got water in it right now. Maybe.
You know, we should go check,
Well,
find out if we can even cross that creek right now. Because the wind's coming out of the south. We could hunt this tonight.
Although, let's see here. We can cross that, I think. It ain't that bad. I mean, I ain't gonna cross it in my sneakers right now, but if I put on boots, it'll be all right. Whew. It's not that bad. He ain't listening to me. He never does. Ooh. Stupid arms of that. We could probably cross that. I ain't gonna cross it in my sneakers.
Hey, here, pull this thing back. This branch can't be sitting on it. It already tore it in one spot.
Uh-oh. Where am I pulling it to?
Just keep going. It's sitting on top of all this brush right now.
There's our pile of sunflower seeds. That's how you know where it
Center
was.
it over the pile of sunflower seeds. That's how you know it's in the right spot.
You can't. Still tied down, aren't they?
So that's now you know it's in the right spot.
I don't know where the little thing is. Hey, but you know what? When I was doing all the stuff in the garden, there's like 800 of them nails in there now. In the Polaris.
I think that's pretty good right there.
I put one on the back.
Yeah, you got another one of them things?
I got like 820. You can thank my work in the garden for that. Well,
I mean,
at least,
it held up pretty good.
yeah, it's got character. That's it.
It's empty.
So much deer sign though.
I know. We need some deer corn.
Ridiculous. Look at all that.
I mean, look at the deer sign.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Ridiculous. They've tilled this thing. No scrape activity there, but holy cow.
Yeah.
They've been out here.
So now we gotta go check the other one and then go get some deer corn because we don't have any. So, and that's empty. Onward.
Deer hunting, we're ground blind hunting now. We had a ground blind in the middle of that field.
Yeah.
And it's gone.
Yeah.
Let's go find it.
Hopefully it's close. This will be interesting. Couldn't have gone that far. You have to walk away?
Oh, that was a hell of a storm. Together, we're not in Kansas anymore.
Yeah, like, what? There's the chair. Oh, it's right there.
That's part of it.
No, that's all of it.
That's all of it?
I think so. It folded itself up and went from that chair to down here.
It folded itself up and went to sleep.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing.
Yeah.
I'll be doggone. Let's see if it'll go back together.
Yeah.
See if we can put Humpty Dumpty back together again. It's a wet spot.
Yeah. Maybe we don't want to put it back right there right now.
what should we do? Fold it up and take it home?
Yeah.
Tell you what, let's make sure it's not broken.
Yeah, probably.
Let's set it up real quick.
I'm half convinced that these things are almost indestructible. Fix it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rhino!
All right, let's fold it up.
I don't know how to fold these up, do you?
Push all the sides in first. And then the top.
You wanna go grab the Polaris?
Now we'll carry it.
You mean I'll carry it?
Yeah.
Maybe. Hey, come back.
Like a workhorse.
Oh, it didn't want to. It was being a pain in the butt. It's not heavy.
Yeah, these Rhino blinds, I'll tell you right now, those were 60, 70 mile an hour winds. We should have been we were thinking about the house and the chicken coop, and we were not thinking about our ground blinds. So look, both of them got a little bit tore up from the wind.
It just gives it character.
They totally handled it. Nothing's tore. They'll pop right back up. This one of the plastic things came out of it, but it didn't break on either end, so we can put it back together.
Just pop it back in there.
So yeah, I mean, we're gonna build a couple of permanent blinds next year, and then we also like to hunt not in blinds, just go hunt.
Yeah.
But I am gonna keep these ground blinds just because, man, this is 2 seasons now, and
you can use them for
it.
other stuff too. I mean, if we ever decide to go turkey hunting or something.
That's right.
Go set up a turkey blind.
Yeah.
Bam.
And we got some turkeys on camera right out here. So anyway, all right. Well, we got this one recovered. We're not gonna set it back up because we probably won't hunt that spot. Although once we pull the deer cards and see a giant buck on there, we might come back and set it back out. But right now, both of our feeders are out of corn.
So we need to go to Walmart, is what I'm
We need to go to Walmart.
All right. So here we are the next day, got back from church and all that, and we finally, messed around with the rifle and figured out what is wrong with it. See that? It shouldn't be doing that. The good news is we know what's wrong with it. Bad news is now we gotta torque it down, put it on the lead sled, and dial it back in. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell so you get more notifications every time we figure out stuff's broken and we gotta fix it. So we'll see you on the next one, and remember, safety's off.